Hello, everyone, and welcome to the IELTS preparation course. My name's Anna. I'm both TEFL and TESOL certified, and I've been teaching ESL for over 5 years. This specific part of the course series is going to be talking about the listening section of the course and how to best prepare for it. In the listening section, there's going to be 4 recordings played, one of a conversation between 2 people, one of just one person speaking in an everyday social context. The third one will be a conversation of up to 4 people in an educational or training context. So maybe a university professor talking to some students about a project, or maybe a tutor speaking to some students, or a manager about a certain course that's coming up, something like that. And then recording 4 is going to be a monologue, so just one person speaking about a specific academic subject, much like a university lecture. There's going to be a variety of different ways you could be tested on what you listen to. The first way would be multiple choice. So you're going to be asked some questions, and you'll have 3 different choices or some number of different choices, and you'll be asked to choose the best answer. The second way you could be tested will be matching. So you'll be given like a numbered list. You'll be asked to match each thing on that list to the correct answer. The third one is where you'll be labeling either a plan, a map, or a diagram. So maybe a certain plan that you heard, or the map of a town or a city or a country, or label a specific diagram of a piece of equipment that was talked about, something like that. The fourth way that you could be tested would be either like a form, note, table, or flow chart, or some sort of summary, right? So you'll be asked in some way to summarize what you know, what you learned. Then the fifth way you could be tested would be sentence completion. So you're given a certain number of sentences summarizing key information, and you're asked to fill in the blank or fill in the gap. Um, and a certain word limit will be given for this. So will you be given 1 word, 2 words, 3 words that could be going in there? It just depends on what it says. And then lastly, you could be asked some short answer questions. They could be just a question that asks you what was the place or what was the time or something like that, and you'll be asked to answer that in just a sentence or two to answer that. In terms of how it's marked, we'll also be discussing how this is marked and how your band score is converted on the scale of 9 for the listening part. And we'll also be discussing the various different ways you'd answer each of these types. And we'll get familiar with a lot of sample questions here as well to get you more comfortable with preparing for the listening section of this course. So I hope to see you all in the course. And yeah, I will see you there. Bye for now, everyone.